Our solar system, a vast expanse of space that we call home, filled with wonders and mysteries waiting to be explored. It's our little corner of the universe, nestled within the Milky Way galaxy, a tiny speck in the grand cosmic ocean. A collection of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets all dancing around a single star, our sun. Each celestial body has its own unique story and characteristics. We've all learned about the planets in school, memorizing their names in order from the sun. But there's so much more to discover beyond the textbooks. We've seen stunning pictures from space probes capturing the beauty and diversity of our neighboring planets. These images have sparked our imagination and curiosity. But how much do we really know about our cosmic backyard? How deep does our understanding go, and what secrets remain hidden? Beyond the familiar facts about the planets and their orbits, there are dark, lesser-known truths lurking in the shadows. These mysteries challenge our perceptions and push the boundaries of our knowledge. These are the facts that send chills down your spine. They reveal the complexity and unpredictability of the cosmos. They make you question everything you thought you knew about space. They invite you to look deeper and think critically about the universe. This essay will delve into these hidden truths. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the layers of our solar system's secrets. Get ready for a journey into the unknown, a voyage that will take us beyond the familiar and into the realms of the extraordinary. We'll uncover the secrets of our solar system, exploring the hidden corners and mysterious phenomena that lie in wait. From the scorching heat of the sun to the icy depths of Neptune, prepare to be awestruck by the extremes and wonders of our cosmic neighborhood. Let's embark on this adventure together. Join us as we journey through the solar system, uncovering its secrets and marveling at its beauty. The Sun, a blazing sphere of nuclear fusion, the center of our solar system, the heart that keeps everything in motion, a giant ball of burning gas that gives us life, providing the light and warmth essential for our existence. But the Sun is not as benevolent as it seems. It harbors dark secrets hidden beneath its fiery surface. The Sun is a raging inferno, constantly erupting with solar flares and coronal mass ejections, releasing immense energy. These events release enormous amounts of energy into space, sending shockwaves through the solar system. These solar storms can have a devastating impact on Earth, creating beautiful yet dangerous auroras. They can disrupt our satellites, communication systems, and even power grids, leading to widespread chaos. In fact, in 1859, a massive solar storm known as the Carrington event caused widespread telegraph outages and even set some telegraph offices on fire, a stark reminder of the sun's power. Scientists believe that an even more powerful solar storm is not a matter of if, but when. They constantly monitor the sun's activity, hoping to predict and prepare for the next big event. Such an event could cripple our technology-dependent society, plunging us into darkness and disrupting our daily lives. It's a stark reminder of the immense power of our sun, a celestial body that gives life but also holds the potential for great destruction. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. It's also the closest to the sun. This proximity makes Mercury a planet of extremes. During the day, temperatures on Mercury can soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. But at night, temperatures plummet to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme temperature swing is the largest of any planet in our solar system. Mercury's surface is a desolate wasteland. It's heavily cratered and covered in dust. The planet has a very thin atmosphere which offers little protection from the sun's radiation or the impacts of meteoroids. This makes Mercury a hostile and unforgiving world. Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a hellish world. Its atmosphere is a thick shroud of carbon dioxide which traps heat and creates a runaway greenhouse effect. The surface temperature on Venus is a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than Mercury, even though Venus is farther from the sun. The pressure on Venus's surface is also intense, about 90 times the pressure at sea level on Earth. It's like being a mile beneath the ocean's surface. Venus is a stark reminder of the dangers of a runaway greenhouse effect. It shows us what can happen when greenhouse gases are allowed to accumulate unchecked in a planet's atmosphere. Section 5. Mars, the Red Planet's Secrets. Mars, the Red Planet. A world that has fascinated humanity for generations. A world of rusty red dust, towering volcanoes and vast canyons. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, and Valles Marineris, a canyon that dwarfs the Grand Canyon, are just a few of its remarkable features. Mars has captivated our imaginations for centuries, from ancient astronomers who saw it as a wandering star, to modern scientists who send rovers to explore its surface. It's the planet that's most like Earth in our solar system. With polar ice caps, seasonal changes, and similar day lengths, Mars is our celestial neighbor that shares many characteristics with our home planet. And it's the planet we're most likely to colonize one day. Visionaries and space agencies alike dream of establishing human settlements on Mars, turning science fiction into reality. But Mars also harbors dark secrets. Beneath its surface lies a history that is both fascinating and mysterious. Beneath its dusty surface lies a history of cataclysmic events. The planet's geological features tell a story of violent volcanic eruptions and massive impacts. Billions of years ago, Mars had a much thicker atmosphere and flowing water on its surface. Rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans once existed. But something happened. Something that transformed Mars into the cold, dry desert it is today. The once vibrant planet became a barren wasteland. Scientists believe that Mars lost its atmosphere due to a combination of factors, including a weakening magnetic field and the stripping away of its atmosphere by the solar wind. Without a protective magnetic field, the solar wind eroded the atmosphere, leaving the planet exposed. Whatever the cause, the loss of Mars's atmosphere was a catastrophic event that transformed the planet forever. The transformation left Mars as we see it today, a cold, desolate world, but one that still holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. Section 6. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant with a swirling atmosphere of colorful clouds. Jupiter is a truly awe-inspiring sight. But beneath its beauty lies a turbulent and violent world. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for centuries. This storm is so large that it could swallow Earth whole. Jupiter also has a powerful magnetic field that traps charged particles from the sun. These particles create intense radiation belts around the planet. These radiation belts are so strong that they could be deadly to humans. Section 7. Saturn, Lord of the Rings. Saturn, the ringed planet, a gas giant with a stunning system of rings made up of ice and rock. Saturn's rings are one of the most recognizable and awe-inspiring sights in our solar system. But these rings are not as peaceful as they seem. They are a dynamic and ever-changing environment. The particles in Saturn's rings are constantly colliding with each other, creating a chaotic dance of destruction and creation. Saturn's moon Titan is also a world of mystery. Titan is the only moon in our solar system known to have a dense atmosphere. This atmosphere is so thick that it obscures our view of the surface. Scientists believe that Titan may have lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane. It's a world that is both alien and strangely familiar. Section 8. Uranus, the sideways world. Uranus, the ice giant. A planet that is tilted on its side with its axis of rotation almost pointing at the sun. This unusual tilt gives Uranus the most extreme seasons in our solar system. Each pole of Uranus experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus is also surrounded by a system of faint rings. These rings are much fainter and less massive than Saturn's rings, but they are still a fascinating and mysterious feature of this ice giant. Section 9. Neptune, a distant ice giant. Neptune, the other ice giant, a planet that is so far from the sun that it receives very little sunlight. Neptune is a cold and dark world, but it is also a world of surprising activity. When Voyager 2 flew by Neptune in 1989, it discovered that the planet has the strongest winds in our solar system. These winds can reach speeds of up to 1,300 miles per hour. Neptune also has a system of faint rings and several moons. One of these moons, Triton, is thought to be a captured Kuiper Belt object. Triton is a world of strange and wonderful features, including nitrogen geysers that erupt from its surface. Section 10. Pluto and the dwarf planets. Pluto. Once considered the 9th planet in our solar system, but in 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This decision was controversial, but it reflects our evolving understanding of the solar system. Pluto is just one of many dwarf planets that orbit the Sun beyond Neptune. These dwarf planets are small and icy worlds. They are remnants of the early solar system, and they hold clues to how our solar system formed. Section 11. Conclusion: Mysteries yet to be solved. Our solar system. a place of wonder, beauty, and mystery. We've learned so much about our cosmic backyard, but there is still so much we don't know. From the sun's raging inferno to the icy depths of Neptune, our solar system is full of surprises. As we continue to explore our cosmic neighborhood, we are sure to uncover even more dark and fascinating secrets.